So finally, our AI tool don dey ready. Now our own. That's say you don't understand. This AI tool, they understand Pidgin English. Now the name of the AI tool now SIP AI. That is SIP. Say it professionally. So what this AI tool go do for you now be say you fit give am Pidgin English prompts. The AI go help you. If like say I don't dey overtalk, I just show you. Open your browser abeg. You go sip.coco.house. Then the website go open. If you scroll down, you go see customization. You go see industry. We go put creative, word count. Most say 50 word. If you choose any number where you want. What's the purpose? Make we pick leave notice. Make I say what do you want to say. So make I put abeg I don tire. Make person no go die. Person no go die for work. Una go see me in 2 weeks time. Click done, scroll down. So now here with this place now the thing go show. So the thing dey casual. I'm going to put am for formal. Then click on generating email. So it will come appear. I am writing to inform you that I will be on leave for the next 2 weeks. It's important for me to take this time off to recharge. I assure you that my work will be covered. You just need to copy and put them for your mail. Otan. I hope say you understand. If you like, you like. If you like, you comment. If you like, you share.